Welcome to new lesson, Consumer Education and Protection. Yes, it's a very important because we are all consumers. Is it? Is here one service organization is use the word that is the user and provider. Is it? Yes, here the user means the person who consume the goods is called the user. In a sense, the person who, in a sense, people who consume or use the goods is called the user. Provider means who provides the goods for consumers is called the providers. Understand? But here our Indian government Consumer Protection Act is use the word. So instead of user they use that consumer. Consumer means who consume the goods, who utilize the goods, who use the goods is called the consumer. Understand? It is the right of every consumer to get the quality of goods for his amount. Is it? Goods and services also. Okay, here then afterwards provider means what it is? Provider means producer. According to the it is Consumer Protection Act, provider means consumer. And provider means producer, distributor. Is it? Who distribute the goods, who produce the goods to the consumer, those people are called what it is? Providers. In a sense, producers. Understand? Who distributes the goods to the people, goods and services to people is called the producers. Instead of provider, the government use the word producers or traders. Understand this? It's a duty of the every trader to provide the quality of goods to the consumer and satisfaction of the consumer is very important for the producers. Understand this? Yes, here we can see that the producers and traders makes the exploitation. They are doing exploitation to these consumers. It is a very harmful for the consumers. For that purpose, in the history we can see the many consumer movements took place. Is it? First consumer movement is took place in US. United States. Okay, in our India, the first consumer movement is took place at Mumbai in the period of 1965 from the AWARE. Is it? What is this AWARE? The Association of Women Against Rising the Expenses. It is AWARE means the Association of Women Against Rising Expenses is called the AWARE. So this association is start that the movement against the producer. It is the consumer movement. We can see that. Is here the Planning Commission backed the idea that what is formation of the Indian Association of Consumers. It is in the period of 1965 we can see that. Okay, then afterwards the many more organization are there for the protection of the consumer. Is it? What are those? The Federation of the Consumer Organization and the National Consumer Protection Council is there. Is it? So this is a brief history about the consumer and provider. Let us discuss about that the reasons for the consumer exploitation. We can see that the provider, in a sense, the producers and traders always doing the exploitation to the consumer to get the more profit. Is it? During the olden days we can see that the provider directly they supply the goods for the home. Directly they supply the goods for the these consumers. But how what it is agriculture gets the development, so the method of market system is completely changed. Here the middleman enter to the market and he only fixes the price of goods. Through that, here the consumer get the goods very costly. Afterwards, he cheated by these middlemen. Is it? So this is the hindrance of the consumer. Then afterwards we can see that nowadays the information technology is developed much. Through that we are all getting the goods in our place only by the tele-shopping. So nowadays we can see we are buying the goods by the directly producers. Understand this? So here the reasons for the consumer for exploitation is the middlemen. Understand? So next is a consumer. Yes, he is a consumer in the sense the person who consume the goods is called the consumer. Not only the goods, the person who consume the goods, afterwards who is avails the services by the wages is called also the consumer. In a sense, we are purchasing the goods, yes, we are the consumer, and we avails the goods, we are getting some good services by the people. Is it? By paying wage paying something to those people. That is also what is considered as a consumer, is it? So it's the duty of every consumer, it is the duty of every producer to provide the quality goods to the consumer. Understand? It's the right of the every consumer to get the quality of the goods and also the what it is a good price goods to him. Understand? Then afterwards we can see that here nowadays in the free enterprises economy, our India have the free enterprises economy. So here the consumer is regarded the king, is it? Consumer is the king, but here the consumer is exploiting more by the providers, it means by the producers and also the traders. He is cheated, is it? Afterwards he is not getting the quality goods. Is a very important. For that purpose the many Consumer Protection Act is implemented in our country. Is what is the consumer protection? Is consumer protection in the sense protecting the consumer by the cheating of providers is called the consumer protection. In the sense we should assure the interest of consumer. We should assure the interest of the consumer. This is called the consumer right and also the protection of consumer. Assuring the what is rights of the consumer is called the what is consumer protection. Yes, consumer movement is started by the few people who get the a more exploitation by the traders, is it? So they started this consumer movement. Then those peoples are brought pressure on government to implement the new act to safeguard the interest of consumer. Then the government is also brought the some more acts to safeguard the interest of consumer. So last 30 decades more than 30 acts have been implemented, is it? For example, the Essential Commodity Act, then the Weight and Measure Act, Act Against the Adulteration of Food Articles, then Consumer Protection Act in the period of 1986 is a significant step in this direction. Understand this. Is the next is the World Consumer Day. Is every year March 15th we are celebrating World Consumers Day. So why we celebrating World Consumers Day on March 15th? Is it? It is an applied question. And at last times they are asking likewise, when did World Consumer Day is celebrated? Is it on March 15th? Why did we celebrating World Consumer Day on March 15th? Is the applied question. Yes, you should write the answer likewise. On March 15th, in the period of 1962, the President of America, John F. Kennedy, he gave the American consumer for basic right to satisfy. In a sense, John F. Kennedy, he provided some basic rights to his country consumer. So, for example, right to choose, right to information and right to hear. Understand? Through that, the people get the some more freedom and facilities by this that is John F. Kennedy in the period of March 15th. So every year of March 15th celebrated as a World Consumer Day. Yes, so let us discuss about that the major objectives of Act. Yes, the Act accords the importance of safety and quality. In a sense, the Consumer Protection Act accords that it gives the more importance for the safety and quality. Then next is it avoiding the production and sale of the dangerous goods. That is, this is avoiding the production and sale of the dangerous goods. And next one is prevention of trade and malpractices in the market. What is prevention of trade and malpractices in the market. Then supervision on quality, weight, measure and price. It makes the supervision on quality, weight, measure and price. And compensation, it is provides a compensation to the consumer in case of any problem arise as a result of trade. Understand? If damage is there or date bar is there, on that time it gives a compensation. In the sense, it provides the compensating the consumer in the case of any problem, and creation awareness to the consumer through the consumer education. In the sense, it provides the consumer education. Is it because of it gives the awareness to the consumer through the consumer education. In a sense, it want to give the justice right to the consumer. It want to provide the right to the consumer. So it creating the awareness to consumer through consumer education. Yes, here in the total major activity of the act is ensuring the quality goods and services at reasonable prices through the healthy competition. Is it healthy competition? The main intention of this act is providing the quality of goods and quantity of the goods to the consumer. Is it with the reasonable reason? Is it how much we are paying? So for that cost, for that value, we should get the equal goods. Is it for the equal value? Then afterwards, the Consumer Protection Act is extended to the whole India. Then it applies to goods and services both. What is this Consumer Protection Act is applies to the goods and services, not only for the goods, it's for the services also. So and also the act promotes the right to consumer. Is it? So this Consumer Protection Act provides some more rights to consumer. In next class we must discuss about that what are the rights of the consumer.